Peter. I'm one of the directors at Plus Accounting. We've learned from talking to our clients that they want more from us than just their accounts. They want guidance, advice, and a range of products and services to make their busy lives easier. The patent box is an important area to understand, especially those involved in businesses which produce innovative products and services. I'll therefore discuss the patent box and how it can benefit you and your business. So, what is the patent box? It's an incentive from the government to encourage innovation and is available for companies that obtain patents for their inventions. Patents give legal protection to inventive concepts and involve the publication of the details of the invention in exchange for protecting it from competitors' use for up to 20 years. Patents are obtained by filing a full explanation of the invention at the Patent Office with the appropriate fee. Any objections raised by the Patent Office will need to be addressed, and the use of patent attorneys can be very helpful in this process. And what can you patent? Anything new, which gives a technical advantage. It can be an improved design for an existing product, improved software for a device, or an improved or alternative process. But you cannot patent anything that's already known, or undeveloped ideas or non-technical subject matter. Only companies which are within the scope of UK corporation tax can claim patent box tax relief, and this includes a UK branch of an overseas company. There's no size restriction, but individuals and partnerships do not qualify. The claiming company must own a UK or European patent or have an exclusive licence to use it, and it must have contributed to its development. The company must make a formal election to HMRC to claim the relief for an accounting period. That election must be made within 2 years of the end of the company's accounting period when the expenditure was incurred. It is possible that it may not be worthwhile making the election, for instance, if there is a loss or the cost of claiming the relief outweighs the benefit. The election will apply to all of the company's trades. It's not possible to elect for only part of a company's business to be covered by it. And the election cannot be made to cover a group of companies. It can only be made for individual companies. It can be revoked if it is not beneficial for a later period, but cannot then be made again for the next 5 years. The tax relief is given by reducing the rate of tax applicable to patent box profits to 10%, as opposed to the main rate of 20%, i.e. the tax rate is halved. The relief is being phased in over 5 years. It will be available in full for the 2017-18 financial year. A reduced rate of 14% applied to 2013-14 and is currently 13% for 2014-15 and will be reducing steadily until it reaches 10% 2017-18. The method of calculating the profit attributable to the patent, which qualifies for the reduced rate, is very complicated. First, you have to work out the company's trading profit from all sources. Then, the amount of the profit that relates to the use of the patent is calculated, and the proportion of this figure related to the total trading profit is applied to the profit of the trade as adjusted to arrive at the amount of those profits which qualifies for the lower tax rate. The adjustments to the trading profit are made to try and eliminate anomalies by taking account of various matters such as research and development costs, the normal margin which the company would have made anyway as determined by HMRC, intellectual property profits which do not qualify, and profits from the period when the patent was being exploited but had not yet been granted. There is another method of calculating the profit that relates to the patent, called the streaming calculation. This can be used by a company if it gives a fairer result, and can also be enforced by HMRC if the normal method gives an unreasonably high figure. Thank you for watching, and please contact me, Peter Hedgethorne, if you would like to discuss any of the matters raised in this presentation.